Do you live overseas and enjoy shopping in the United States? Do you run your own U.S. e-commerce site and need to ship to your international customers? Do you have loved ones overseas and wish to send gifts to them as inexpensively and safely as possible? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then Parcelbound.com is for you. Parcelbound.com is a top-rated international package forwarding company that strives to make customer service our top priority. If you're looking to shop in the U.S. and are seeking a service to forward your shipments internationally, Parcelbound.com should be your first option. We partner with multiple shipping carriers such as USPS, FedEx, and DHL. Each customer is given the option to choose the carrier that gives them the lowest and best possible shipping rates. We assist you in setting up your own U.S. shipping address and can help you with an online personal shopper for retail or auction sites that won't accept an international credit card. With our package consolidation service, we take all your packaged orders and consolidate them into as few boxes as possible. This process allows customers to save even more by taking advantage of lower shipping rates. Try Parcelbound.com today and see how easy shopping in the U.S. and international shipping can be.